everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And what's becoming one of my favorite subscriptions arrived today in the mail, and it is from Sunshine Sisters, and it is a pajama subscription. Up on the screen is the pricing. You cannot beat it. I'm telling you guys, if you love jammies, check this out. The jammies are super soft and they're cute patterns. This will be my third, fourth, somewhere around in there. And I love them. I love them. Let's see what we got this month. Oh, you're kidding. This is great. We got bunnies. We got Easter bunnies. This is a fun pajama subscription for the for the price and what you get. The value is 100% here. I think they even have a t-shirt subscription, but I've been missing my Jarma box subscription. I've been trying to find a replacement, and I found jammies through Sunshine Sisters. Super happy. Let's see here. We hope you love your jammies. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, how cute. We got shorts. Look how cute. And they're ruffly at the bottom. How cute are these? So these are size large. This is the type. So it's got a little bit of stretch. This right here is just for decoration. It is not going to be for pull to make them tighter, but look how cute. Then our top. Look how cute. Look how stinking cute. We've got edging. So we got the lavender edging around the collar. We have got it on the short sleeve. We have got it on the pocket. We have got it down the front. If I can show you this. So there we go. We got it down the front. It has got white buttons. Super, super adorable. It's very soft. This one I feel like is a more silky, maybe. I don't know 100% if this is different type of fabric than last time, but it's got a super soft feel. Let me see. Here's the tag. Let's read about it. We got an extra button. We've got 90% polyester and 10% spandex. The care instructions are machine wash in cool water, do not bleach, tumble dry low, iron low, wash with like colors. Who irons pajamas anymore? My grandma ironed pajamas. My grandma used to iron my grandpa's handkerchiefs. I, however, am not good at ironing. I would rather throw in the dryer or use the Downy spray, which is amazing. I even get the little bottles when we travel. Oh, yes. But I love it. Another cute pajamas for this month. Now, these are a little short. I will say. These are short. So I will be pulling them down, but they're jammies. No one's going to see them except Greg. Okay, well, we even got one of those. So that wraps up another unboxing. I wish, usually I get like a towel subscription, I think, with this one, but I didn't this time. It must be like delayed in the mail, which is not surprising, right? You know what I'm saying? But there we go. So hope you enjoyed a very quick unboxing. Hope all is well. You guys take care. Bye, everyone.